That's why the invention of mug cakes is a game changer for busy individuals. Imagine coming home after a long day, craving something sweet and having a warm homemade treat in minutes. Today, I am sharing 3 ingredient mug cake recipe that are not just desserts but moments of indulgence in a mug. For this delectable mug cake, you will need just 3 simple ingredients: milk, an egg, and your choice of flavor: chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, or add some fun with sprinkles. First up, the classic mug cake with milk. Take your favorite microwave safe mug, pour in 1/4 cup of milk, any type will do, but I recommend whole milk for that extra creaminess. Next, add 1/3 cup of your chosen cake mix. Today, I am going with chocolate for that rich, indulgent taste. Give it a good stir to ensure all the ingredients are well combined. No one likes a lumpy mug cake. Now, let's kick it up a notch with a mug cake that indulges an egg. This adds a fluffy texture you will love. Crack 1 egg into the mug. Then, add 1/3 cup of your chosen cake mix. Today, I am opting for the classic vanilla. Give it another good stir. This time, you will notice the batter getting a bit thicker. That's the egg working its magic. Now, let's talk about flavors. You can get creative here. Whether it's chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry, the choice is yours. Experiment with your favorite flavors and find the perfect combo for your taste buds. Today, I will be making a chocolate mug cake, but the fun doesn't stop here. It's time to talk about toppings. Sprinkles, chocolate chips, whipped cream. Go wild. Personalize your mug cake to make it unique. If your mug cake looks a bit dry, try adding a splash of milk before microwaving. And if it's not fully cooked, just pop it back in for another 10 seconds until it's perfect. Your delightful 3 ingredient mug cake is ready to devour. Easy, quick, and utterly satisfying. Now have fun exploring different flavors to discover your ideal mug cake combo. Thanks for joining me on this sweet journey. Don't forget to check out blogginggoodfood.com for more mouth-watering recipes and kitchen product reviews.